Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel Freepik Premium subscription. First, sign in to your Freepik account using the email and password linked to your subscription. After logging in, go to your account or subscription settings where the cancellation options are available. If your subscription was purchased through Apple, Google Play, or PayPal, you will need to cancel it directly through that platform. Otherwise, you can continue the process on Freepik. Next, open the subscription details section and click Manage Subscription. You will see options such as pause or cancel. Choose Cancel Subscription and confirm when prompted. You may also be asked to select a reason for cancellation. After confirming, wait for the on-screen message and check your email for a cancellation confirmation. The email will show the date when your subscription ends, so keep it for your records. If you don't receive a confirmation, try the process again or contact Freepik support with your account email and last transaction details. If the page does not respond, clearing your browser cache or using another browser may help. That's it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.